Maya, do you know who I am? I am Rishi Mrityunjay Roy. I'll wash away the darkness of your past. Just trust me. I really love you. Yes, I've already pre-planned to stay yours for a long time.
When will I become Mrs. Roy?
Of course, we'll have responsibilities once we get married. I'm Rishi Mrityunjay Roy. Maya, do you know who I am? Trust me, I love you.
We don't kill, nor do we die. We only do what God makes us do. Life and death of a person isn't up to us, but only with God. And God is always on my side.
Good night, baby. Love you. Everyone becomes the same. Once they fall in love, all the same. It doesn't matter what the age is. Good night, baby. Love you too, baby. Mwah, 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 mwah. Baby. Oh God.
Sometimes innocents have to be sacrificed in the fight against evil. That's a rule of war.
Hi.
It's morning, baby. You don't care for me at all, and yet you claim to love me a lot. You didn't call me once since morning.
Hey, baby, I just woke up. Oh. In fact, I'm still under the sheets, I was dreaming about you.
Liar. You have been up since long.
How did you get to know that?
Because your voice sounds fresh, it is not at all husky to me. And the clarity of words indicates that you have been up since long. In fact, you were panting when you received my call. That means you were running from somewhere.
Baby, I suggest you become a spy rather than being a girlfriend. Nothing can be hidden from you.
Those with ill intentions hide things. You have no such intentions, right, baby?
Yes, of course. My intentions are noble.
And these very intentions are giving me sleepless nights. I was lost in your thoughts. And that's why, I was thinking that you should tell your dad about the two of us.
Maya, how will I tell him?
Why, baby? We must eventually tell him. And besides, in another 15 days, your life will be mine.
What?
Won't you tell him, baby?
Yes, of course, I will. I will for sure.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I have ensnared you, Rishi. It is impossible to escape from my clutches now. And now, it is time to ensnare your elder brother.
MJ, the investor is here.
Just a second. Hello?
Rudra is waiting for the investor. And I'm waiting for Rudra. Because when the investor will be standing with me, Rudra will have to come here. To me. Today when investor will be standing with me, then my independent son will know how dependent he is on me. He is my weakness and I am his strength. He must understand this. Because he is my life and I won't let my life go away from me.
Hey bro, what's up?
Hi.
Welcome to the Roy house.
You have a wonderful house. Thank you for inviting me. Hey, where's MJ uncle?
Dad must be somewhere around. Come on.
Yeah, let's go. MJ, the investor is here.
What happened to the lights? Akhilesh, one knows his loved ones from the heart and his enemies through his mind. So let's see who wins today between Mrityunjay's heart and his mind. Today there will only be friends and foes in this party. who knows when you'll run into who? Nobody knows. So guys, please take your mask and hide your identity so that no one here can see your true identity.
Come, let's meet the investor. This is our investor. MJ, he is the new investor of Ananya and Rudra's company Ruhan Publications. Rajiv Chandra.
I had never thought that you will ever walk into my life again. Especially between me and my son. Not in between. I've come to you. Ruhan Publication was a way to get to you.
Who's Mrityunjay speaking to?
Must be a new business associate.
Hey, gorgeous. I'll just come. Jugi, where are my spectacles?
Sorry, ma'am. Really sorry.
It's okay.